put it back together, I put the striker into the breech block, followed by the striker spring, followed by the guide. I push that in with my thumb, turn at a quarter turn, make sure that that screw is up and down so that's locked in properly. I take the breech block, insert it into the receiver, raise the toggles, push on the side of the shure, slide the breech block all the way forward, and lay that in place. Then I line up the hole where the rear axle pin goes. I insert the rear axle pin, and then I like to raise the toggles and lower them to compress the striker spring so that the rear pin stays in place. I lay that on its back. I take the frame, slide it one to the upper, about that far. I turn it over, and if you look down in here, you can see the S-link is on the back of the recoil lever. So I slide the frame forward until it just drops ahead of it. Then I slide the frame back. At this point, I insert the magazine. I open the action. I insert the side plate. Close the takedown lever. Close the action. Safety on. Insert the magazine. And you're back together.